Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to call plays in Road to Glory in College Football 27. If you're not happy with the plays your coach is calling in Road to Glory, you can unlock more control by increasing your coach trust. To check your coach trust, go to weekly agenda, then open the coach tab. As your coach trust increases, you'll unlock new rewards. These can include extra plays, audibles, hot routes, QB protection and other gameplay options. You can earn coach trust by performing well in games, completing practices, and making good choices during weekly activities. Once you have unlocked extra plays, you'll be able to change plays while you're on the field during games. When a play is called, press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to view alternate play options. You'll be given a few different plays to choose from. Keep in mind, you can only do this when your player is on the field. If you're on the bench, you'll have to continue simulating until your next opportunity. So if you want more control over play calling, focus on building coach trust and unlocking the rewards that come with it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.